Welcome. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix your media sound on the Redmi Buds 4. Okay, so if you cannot hear any media by using your Redmi Buds 4, just be sure to be connected with your phone, open the settings of the device by using the standard Bluetooth settings, and be sure that this option, the media audio, is turned on, like in my case. If this option is turned off, like on the contacts and the call history, you will be not able to hear any audio. Take a look, I just turn it off. I'm gonna open YouTube Music, play any song, and it comes from my phone speaker. But when I'm gonna enable the media audio, it comes right here in my earphones. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.